The concept of a black hole. The concept of a black hole originated from Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity in the early 20th century. The term black hole itself was coined by physicist John Archibald Wheeler in 1967. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational pull. It forms when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and undergoes gravitational collapse. The core contracts, and if the mass is above a certain threshold, it becomes a point of infinite density called a singularity, surrounded by an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. Over the years, black holes have been indirectly observed through their influence on nearby matter and the detection of gravitational waves. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration released the first image of a black hole, capturing the silhouette of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87. Black holes continue to be a fascinating subject in astrophysics, contributing to our understanding of the universe's fundamental principles.